Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Now 8 minus 7 is equal to also 1. Now 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. But here this answer is not correct. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS. So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, P means, second priority is E means exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, and last priority is addition and subtraction. Okay. Multiplication and division have equal priority, and also here addition and subtraction both have equal priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So is equal to first priority, here is a 1 subtraction, 1 multiplication, and also here is a 1 subtraction. So according to the rule, first priority is multiplication. So first we have to multiply this. Therefore 10 minus, now multiply 9 minus 8 is equal to 72 minus 7. Okay. So 10 minus 72 is equal to minus 62 minus 7. Okay. Now minus 62 minus 7 is equal to minus 69. Therefore the correct answer is minus 69. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.